आज इस समारोह में आए हुए सभी पूर्व पंजाब नेशनल बैंक का पूर्व अध्यक्ष और मुख्य कार्यनिर्वहन अधिकारी, देश का चीफ विजिलेंस कमिश्नर और पूर्व चुनाव मुख्य अधिकारी और मेरे सामने बैठे हुए अन्य महानुभाव और पंजाब नेशनल बैंक का कस्टमर्स और एम्प्लॉइज़, बहनों और भाइयों, मैं सचमुच में बहुत आनंद महसूस कर रहा हूँ। हमारा आज इस 125 साल का स्थापना दिवस के अवसर पर हम सब ने मिलकर पूज्य लाला लाजपत राय जी का स्मृति में हमने एक पोस्टल स्टैम्प भी जारी किया है, बैंक और लाला लाजपत राय जी का स्मृति में भी, और श्रद्धांजलि भी मैंने अर्पित किया है। I really feel proud that we are all saluting the memory of the great son of this great country, Sri Lala Lajpat Rai, who was a great freedom fighter, who was called as the Lion of Punjab, and also a person who has taken initiative to start this bank, National Bank at that time. The bank is an institution of distinguished heritage. That's why it gives me really immense pleasure to be with you all today on this historic occasion. It is heartening to note that several milestones achieved by the bank as it confidently steps into the 125th year of its illustrious existence. Both the chairman and managing director has explained to us what are the milestones and what are the achievements the bank has so far achieved. This remarkable journey is a living testimony of the institution's indomitable spirit and commitment. I could understand the journey of the Punjab National Bank began on 12th April 1895 in Lahore, in undivided India, as a culmination of the painstaking and enterprising efforts of its visionary founders, including the Dayan of Indian freedom struggle, Lala Lajpat Rai, the Lion of Punjab. These passionate nationalists at that time, they came together, established a Swadeshi Bank, run professionally with Indian capital and management to meet the financial needs and aspirations of their fellow Indians. It is heartening to note that this connect to the freedom struggle of the country is a source of abiding strength, pride, and inspiration of the bank. I am happy to note that through all these years, even in the most testing of times, the bank has won and retained the trust of all its stakeholders, customers, employees, shareholders, regulatory bodies, and the government. It is heartening to note that combining business acumen with the tenacity of purpose and professionalism has taken Punjab National Bank from its early humble origin to its present stature. It is a performance that has earned it a position of leadership, respect, and preeminence in our banking industry. That's why I call Punjab National Bank as Premier National Bank of India. It's not connected with Punjab alone. Of course, Punjab is a great soil. We had great freedom fighters. We have given everything of theirs to the country. And this contribution also is immense as far as the banking system is concerned. I'm happy to know the expansion of the bank, the number of branches, and being the second largest number among the public sector banks. The saga brings to the fore what human enterprise and initiative can achieve in bringing about a lasting growth and development in the lives of the people of our country and indeed in the progress of our nation. My dear sisters and brothers, India's financial institutions have been commended globally for being resilient, and for having withstood global downturns and recession as well. Banks are no longer just about strong lockers and a good interest rate on deposits. They have transcended their conventional mandates and are now at the forefront of India's developmental story.